morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, obviously it is, and it's quite foggy outside, as you can see in the video. This is the resort by the bank of river Neura, and the river is totally dry now, but the manager, who is a local guy, he was telling me that during the monsoon it is so filled up with water that can't even think of crossing it, like swimming or something. So over there they are doing some picking up sand or something, I don't know. There are a lot of gravels here, so maybe gravel mining is also a part. There is a tea garden over there, and now I'll try to go near to the water. There is a bit of water over there, and I'll try to go over there. Such a beautiful place. I am practically standing at the middle of the river now, because far away, if you can see the bridge, I can see the bridge. So what I can make out is I am practically on the middle of the bridge, which means I'm in the middle of the river. So it's 8:45. I have started from Sonargaon Resort at Lataguri. Beautiful place, really beautiful place. You can see the cottages in the back. Uh, I'm not taking the detailed video of the cottages because it's not required. This much of advertisement is enough, free of cost. And I'll just flip the camera to show the way I'll go. So I'll take this muddy part till the main road. Uh, that bridge is uh, connected to the main road. I'll take that path, and I'll just now I've started my return journey. So today my destination is Malda. After a small stop at Shiliguri. Shiliguri is 62 kilometers. Expected time is 1.5 hours, and I'll try to make it as quick as possible. And till then, okay, bye. So I'll be proceeding this way. Before starting, I'm just having my breakfast. Steamed momo. Well, I am at Kranti now. I'm crossing this bridge. Then I'll take the canal road, and that road will take me to NH31. I'm following Google Map and the reference of local people. This is quite empty. It's beautiful. You can see the river. It must be the Kanti river. Wonderful place. I have reached Kranti. Now I'll take this road adjacent to the canal, and you can see it's written on the board from the Department of Tourism, Government of West Bengal, that Gojoldoba is 12 kilometers from here. So from Gojoldoba I will see again. Looks like the forest has started from here. So on my right hand side is the canal. You can see the canal. I don't know the name of this flower, but it's beautiful. Pink flower. Sthalopaddo, most probably. And on my left hand side is the forest. So till Gojoldoba, it will be like this. One side it will be the forest, and on the other side it will be the canal. So let me start. So I've just crossed the Tista barrage, and I'm proceeding towards NH31. So you can see this is Boikuntapur forest, and this is the surrounding. I'll just show the river. It looks really beautiful. I'm still at the Boikuntapur forest. I'm just crossing it. I stopped here to record this beautiful scenery. The bridge and see. This place is a must visit for everyone. I have ultimately reached Siliguri. I took a different route, but by taking this route, I got to see the Boikuntapur forest and did some videography also. And you can see this side is Siliguri, and I'll be going that way. I'll just set my GPS from Malda, and then I'll move. It's about to get dark. I'm still riding. More 96 kilometers are left. I was chasing the sun, but the sun has set ultimately. Very soon it will get dark, and after 16 kilometers I am going to hit the National Highway 12, which will take me straight to Malda. I'll just give a quick view of the scenery and then we'll move. Evening is setting in the village, and it's much more colder than the city. That much I can say. So we'll meet at Malda, and I'll give a detailing of the entire day today. Till then, bye bye. So ultimately I have reached Malda, and this is what me and my clothes and everything looks like after a 10-hour ride. You can see fully dusty, ekdam ganda. So I'm super excited after reaching Malda. The reason being very simple. The stretch of the last 90-kilometer stretch from Raiganj to Malda, I traveled on the National Highway 12. And the highway was not properly. There was no proper lighting on the highway. That I must say. Only on some of the crossing, like when there are when the towns were coming, like there was light. Otherwise, the entire highway was dark. But anyway, there's nothing untowardly that happened. Fat baby, as usual, supported me, and I have reached Malda. So I'll just freshen up and